Hi, in this series we're going to be taking a look at the sketch features in Solidworks. In this first episode, we're going to start with lines and shapes. We start by clicking the Sketch button. And Solidworks will ask us to select a plane to work on. I will select the front plane for now. And now we can go ahead and start using any of the line or shape features. The first feature is a line feature. It is used to create straight lines to make shapes, such as a rectangle, or maybe even a star. The next feature is a circle feature. It is used to create perfect circles of any radius. The next one is a spline feature. It is used to draw curves, which could be open, or in this case, closed ones. The next feature is a corner rectangle feature. It is used to create perfect rectangles or squares. The next feature is an ellipse feature. Similar to an oval, it is used to create closed plane curves. The next feature is a closed slot feature. It is used to create oblong shapes. The next feature is a polygon feature. It is used to create regular polygon shapes such as triangles, quadrilateral, pentagons, hexagons, etc. And with that, I think that's a good introduction to this series. In the next episodes, we will go through each one of these individual features one by one. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for all of the videos. See you in the next episode. Thank you.